watching on Flex's World.
Even the prisoners, they treat me like dodos. No, because of my lawyer. Yeah, anything I say is against me, so just respect that, right?
Have you been charged?
No, I have not been charged. They have no case. There's no case. All is just allegations. Even the money, they signed my wife, sister, and her signed of an approval of the money. And they said on the news that the money cannot be accounted. That's a lie. That's a lie. But that's how God is. Everything worked together for good for them that love the Lord. And God is on my side. They literally apprehended me. I came out of the prison fast and now I went in there. They literally apprehended me. My foot to them touch the ground. You know, and the prisoners applaud me. Even the prisoners, they treat me like dodos. The prisoners lift me up. They say, Pastor, right now, the prisoners, them ball to me. When I left, they said, the prisoner, them say, boy, you are a prophet.
Don't worry about that, man.
Yes,
Out of evil come forth good.
Yes,
Out of evil come forth good.
Yes.
That me I tell you. I'm not telling you. No weapon will come.
What I mean, leak out.
If I'm not in the master, we're
No, they have my phone. They have my phone investigated and they can't find it. Sir, if later on you can contact him.
Yeah, you think them can't take my number?
You can take his number.
Because me and him, I'm not telling you.
When the season is right, you can come and do an investigation.
You can't take my number, you're not worry yourself about that.
They arrest me at my home. Nothing. They have no charge. Yes, so that I speak against the government. I threaten the government. Yes, that I threaten, and that was a lie. What they did, they fixed the video. They fixed the video and tried. But you see, if you look into the content of the video, you will know that it has nothing to do. That is not a threat. It's a word. It's a Creole language. You see, the Creole language it's harsh. Because I could have said, the Lord said, bless you. I could have said, the Lord says, Honorable Noble and Holness, He's going to take you down. You shall die. But I said it, you're going to go down and you're going to die. You're going to dead. That is the word. Because that's what they put on the video. But you see, if you listen from the depth of the thus said the Lord.
This morning, they say you're gonna come. This morning,
the inspector said to me, you're one of the most famous men.
No man, say nothing my youth. Out of evil come forth.
Right now, what the devil meant.
Pastor, you come on.
Out of evil come forth.
Watch out, the brethren are my friend.
Respect and manners, my pastor.
My friend.
Evil.
Yes, man, I'm my friend. Anywhere we go, in a go in a king's house, don't ever afraid to come to me.
Father, let me preach up for your 90 there, you know so well, then the Almighty work with you.
Never leave it.
Can't touch you.
Never leave it.
Bless you, bless you. C-Talk, right now C-Talk, they mesmerized. They should have let me go from the first day. Bless you, from the first day, but they wanted to interrogate me.
Yeah, man, that's
why they shut me down. But they violate the constitutional rights. But I'll leave them to God.
Don't leave it, man.
Yeah, man. God. Love. Come with a multitude of sin. Every one of them, even when they apprehended me. No, sis. That's violence. That's violence. You have to be.
Man, just leave it at that, man. Who know better, do better.
No, sis. The Bible says love your neighbor. As I said. So I love Andrew and I love everybody. Even in Brownstown, who were rejoicing, just tell them, say, I love them. I love them. And I forgive them for they know not what they have done. Just leave them. Love them. They responded because maybe political, maybe they hate me, but listen, we love them. Yeah, man. Yes.
Time is the master of everything.
And God has vindicated me. So listen, right now, no charge. No charge. Listen, Inspector said to me, Pastor, we have no charge against him.
You remember me you talk this morning?
Yes,
Defend the people, right?
Yes,
The right
it's the rights of the
So
people.
this man, big man, I say, yo, young man, you say, yo, me I look forward to hear you say something. I say, Mama, I will do. He said, you're the only person in a
Vindicate,
Brownstown
yes.
that vindicate the people. I say, me will have to do what.
No, but I said it in the video, you know. I said it is not, this is not political.
Political,
It's the people of Jamaica. And you need somebody who's going to speak on behalf of the people. You know, there's something.
You see, when you get a couple,
No, they
the amount of
No,
money,
listen. My phone, when they open my phone, you hear millions all over the world. People in the Senate, people all over the world. Right now, they say, Pastor, if you want to leave the island, you can do that in 0 seconds. So listen, everything works together for good, for them that love the Lord.